Well, hello everybody. Welcome to P.B.M. Money. Today's video is going to be an update on our savings. Now, as you know, our original financial game for the next year and a half was to save enough money to buy our duplex next December. That game has since changed. We're going to pay off the house by the year after that and then buy our duplex. And the reason we did that was because I had been told by a banker that when I apply for a loan for my duplex, they are not going to count the income from my rental house. They're going to count the debt, but not the income. Which means for my income, they expect me to pay for the mortgage on that little house plus the duplex. That's going to be a problem. So we got to get rid of the debt on the little house and then we can buy our duplex. So the game has changed, but the savings is still the same. Now, for this year, the savings goal is a little over $51,000 by the end of December. We are now at the beginning of August and we are at $48,225 for $950.51. So we're about $3,000 away. So I want to run through real quick and let you know the progress that we've made in the last month, the changes, the ups, the downs. So as you may or may not know, for every type of investment I have, savings, mutual funds, stocks, I have two accounts, one for me, one for the ministry. And believe it or not, I put twice as much in mine because I have more income than the ministry, but the ministry has just about caught me because God can do more with 10% than I can do with 100%. And these numbers are proving it. So anyway, in our stocks, my balance is 4107. Ministry account is 3136. There's a $1,000 difference. We've been in it over a year, and I put twice as much into mine as I put into the ministry. So there you go. Into the regular savings account. Now remember, I normally don't keep this much cash in a savings account, but I moved some money this year and I'm going to move some more next year so I don't have to pay that tax when it's over $10,000. I don't want to be on the list, I don't want to be notified, none of that. So I moved a little bit this year, I'm going to move a little bit next year. Anyway, in my savings account, there's $9,655.87, and in the ministry account, there's more, $98,41.15. Wow. And the mutual fund, my account's got $16,551.27, and the ministry account's got $49,34.20. Now, if you add all that together, we are at $48,225.49. Last month's total was $46,793.71. So that means in 1 month, we have increased our savings $1,431.78. Now, like I said a minute ago, we got a little bit over $3,000 to go, and we got 5 months to get there. So if everything's staying the same. Now I know this month coming up, it's going to be a rough month because I got some big expenses coming up. I paid for them this month on my credit card, but this is the month I'm going to have to pay for them. So if I could just break even this month on my savings, we'll be good. I got a cell phone that I paid cash for. I got 1 month's rent where my daughter's going to school. That alone was $1,000. So those two bills alone are going to be $1,700. and we're only saving $1,400 this month. So like I said, if we can stay positive this month, then I think we'll be okay. Now, just as a little aside, I have been saying on here for the last 4 months, that my account has been trading sideways. I went back and checked on Robinhood, and in the last 3 months, it has gone down 0.03%. Sideways. I was watching a program the other day, and they said if you had invested in the stock market, in the S&P 500, December of 2020, your stocks would have gone up 21% as of the end of July. I went back and checked mine. We've done 34%. Oh, and I checked Ethereum. Remember last month, I believe, I bought the dip and I told you it took my average cost down? Well, Ethereum went up today, and I'm actually making some money on Ethereum. Who knew? So I texted my son, and he said, yeah, they came out with the update. I don't even know what that means. I said, is that something I should be buying? And he said, no, it's just why the stock has gone up today. Okay. So anyway, we're still trading sideways. In my opinion, one of these days it's going to break, and it's going to break down. The 3 months right now is kind of a holding pattern, getting everybody ready. I hope I'm wrong. I hope it breaks up when it breaks. But for here and for now, my stocks anyway are still trading sideways. And but our total savings for the month of July is increase of $1,431.78, and our stocks are making an average of 34%, 34 point something percent. But there you go. You guys have a great week, a great month, and happy savings and investing. And I hope you're playing this financial game with us and trying to see if you can reach your goal by the end of the year.